Hello students, in previous video we have started the brain teasers of unit 7 and we have already done question number 1 in which we have to take the correct answers. Now today we will do the remaining questions of brain teasers. Now here the question number 2 is write in figures. Write in figures. So here the amount is given in words and you have to write in figures. So we have already done this. So let us this is just the revision what we have learned. So to write in figures, what we have to do, first of all we have to write the rupee sign. We have to write the rupee sign and a dot separates the rupees and पैसे. जो डॉट होता है वो रुपीज और पैसे को सेपरेट करता है, right? So first of all we will write the rupees. How many rupees are there? So it is 63 rupees. And पैसे, how many पैसे are there? 50 पैसे. So पैसे और रुपीस को सेपरेट करने के लिए हम क्या लगाते हैं? डॉट or a point, that is 63 rupees 50 paise. We will rate it as 63 rupees 50 paise. Similarly, you can also write this one, that is 3 rupees and 15 paise. So this dot separates them. And then here 7 paise is given. Now how to write this 7 paise? So rupees is not given here. So the procedure is same. Don't forget to write this rupees sign. Then when rupees are not given, so what we have to do? We have to write 0 for rupees. हम उसको खाली तो नहीं छोड़ सकते, तो वहाँ पर हमको क्या लिखना पड़ेगा? 0 rupees, because rupees are not given. So 0 rupees and then point dot, and after that we will write the paise. So how can we write 7 paise? So you know that पैसे हमारे कितने डिजिट्स में होते हैं? ऑलवेज इन 2 डिजिट्स. 1 डिजिट में हम पैसे नहीं लिखेंगे जब हम फिगर्स में लिखते हैं. सो 7 पैसे हमें 2 डिजिट्स में लिखने हैं. हाउ कैन वी राइट? सो वी विल राइट इट 07 बिकॉज 2 डिजिट्स में लिखना है. रीड हमें 7 ही करना है, बट वी हैव टू राइट इट इन 2 डिजिट्स. सो अब स्टिल हम इसको क्या रीड कर रहे हैं? 7 पैसे. So this is 7 paise because rupees are not there, so we'll read it as 7 paise only. Similarly here 28 paise. So again rupees are not there, so we'll write 0 rupees, and 28 paise is already in 2 digits, so there is no need to write any 0. जब भी आपके पास पैसे सिंगल डिजिट में होते हैं, so हम we will write like this. Next one is write in words. So हमें ये words में लिखना है. This is just the opposite of it. So here the question is given in figures and we have to write in words. Very simple. जो हमारा डॉट से पहले होता है वो हमारा रुपीज होता है, and this one is your पैसे. So हमने ऐसे लिखना है 31 rupees and how many पैसे? 55 पैसे. And next is your do this C part yourself. This is also same. यहाँ पर आपका पैसे is given but there is no rupees. 0 rupees, that means rupees तो है ही नहीं. What is there is पैसे. So how many पैसे are there? 8 पैसे. तो 0 rupees लिखने की जरूरत नहीं है. And what we read it? 08 को हम क्या रीड करते हैं? 8 पैसे. जैसे यहाँ पर हमारे पास 7 पैसे था, यहाँ पर 07 को क्या रीड किया? 7 पैसे. Similarly 08 को हम क्या रीड करेंगे? 8 पैसे. And similarly you can write this also 70 rupees 7 paise. Now the next question, add. 3 amounts are given, 36 rupees 50 paise, 8 paise and 15 rupees 58 paise. You have to add these 3 amount of money. Now you know that how we add. First of all we have to arrange them in column. हम इनको column में arrange करेंगे, then only we can add them. So let us do it. brain teaser question number 4. So fourth one, add rupees 36.53 paise, 8 paise and 15 rupees 58 paise, right? So how we can add them? First of all, we have to arrange them in column. So हमने कैसे इसको समझा था? Write the first amount, that is rupees 36 rupees 53 paise. Next amount is 0 rupees 8 paise, है ना? So 8 paise भी हम read करते हैं. So how can we write it here? रुपीज के नीचे रुपीज साइन, रुपीज के नीचे रुपीज लिखेंगे हम. सो 0 रुपीज. मोस्ट इंपॉर्टेंट थिंग इज द डॉट विल कम अंडर डॉट. ये हमारे स्ट्रेट कॉलम में आएंगे हमारा डॉट. एंड देन राइट पैसे अंडर पैसे. सो 0 8. एंड नाउ द थर्ड अमाउंट, दैट इज 15 रुपीज एंड 58 पैसे. So this is very important that how you arrange it. अगर आपने properly arrange करनी है, then addition is very easy. So add them. 8 plus 8 16 plus 3 is 19. 5 plus 5 10 plus 1 is 11. 1 carry over and this dot will come under dot. And then 6 plus 5 is 11 plus 1 is 12. 3 4 5 52 rupees sign will come under rupees sign. So 52 rupees and 19 paise is the answer. The next one is fifth question. Subtract 45 paise from 2 rupees. From 2 rupees. How can you subtract it? The question is given in words. ये सारा क्या है? हमारे अमाउंट जो हैं वो किस में है? वर्ड्स में. How can you subtract it? So to subtract it, first of all you have to write these given amounts in figures. इनको हम फिगर में लिखेंगे. So write in figure. कैसे लिखेंगे? 45 पैसे. So how can you write 45 paise in figures? So we have just done it. Rupees sign. As you see here that there is no rupees. कोई रुपी नहीं है. So हम 0 लगाएंगे rupees की जगह and write down 45. So this is 0.45 or we will read it as 45 paise. From 2 rupees. So how can you write 2 rupees? Here paise is not given, so what we have to do? How can we write it in figure? So rupees की जगह पर rupees, then separate किससे होता है? Dot से. And there is no paise, so what we will write? यहाँ पर हमारे पास rupees नहीं था तो हमने 0 rupees लगाए. अब यहाँ पर पैसे नहीं है तो we will write 0 पैसे. But what I have told you that जो हमारे पैसे होते हैं वो हम हमेशा कितने digits में लिखते हैं? 2 digits में. Right? Now subtract it. Now you can easily subtract it. Arrange them in column and subtract it. So यहाँ पर हमारा from है, so we have to write second amount on the top. So rupees 2 minus 45 paise. Subtract it. So how can you subtract? 0 is smaller, so we will borrow. It becomes 10, and ultimately because here is also 0, so ultimately we borrow from here. What we left over here is 1, and यहाँ पर 10, and 10 में से 1 लिया तो क्या बचेगा? 9. So you know how to subtract such type of numbers. We have already done many questions of such type. So 10 minus 5 is 5. 9 minus 4 is again 5. Dot will come under dot, and 1 minus 0 is 1. So and rupees sign will come under rupees sign. So what is the answer is 1 rupees 55 paise. Now the next one is a word problem. Here from a book fair. From a book fair, Arun purchased 3 books. Arun ने कितनी books purchase करी? 3 books. And the cost of these 3 books are 15 rupees 50 paise, 26 rupees 50 paise, and 5 rupees 50 paise. These are the amounts, or you can say the cost of 3 books. Now if he pays rupees 50, how much balance means जो बचा हुआ है amount will he get back? 50 rupees दिए उसने, किसने? अरुण ने शॉपकीपर को, या जो भी है, और उसमें से बैलेंस मीन्स कितना बचा हुआ अमाउंट है वो उसको वापस मिला. सो फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल यू मस्ट नो व्हाट इज द टोटल अमाउंट ही हैज टू पे, कि उसे कितना अमाउंट पे करना है. देन ओनली आप बता सकते हैं कि हाउ मच बैलेंस ही विल गेट बैक. सो व्हाट यू विल डू, फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल आपको क्या पता होना चाहिए? टोटल पता होना चाहिए, टोटल अमाउंट कि कितना उसने पे करना है. बिकॉज 3 बुक्स है, 3 सेपरेट अमाउंट्स यू हैव. आपको टोटल अमाउंट पता होना चाहिए. टोटल यू नो व्हाट यू हैव टू डू, वी हैव टू ऐड देम फर्स्ट. फॉर एग्जाम्पल जब हम जैसे बिल है, बिल में हम क्या करते हैं, हमारे पास सपोज 3 बुक्स है, तो व्हाट वी हैव टू डू फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल वी हैव टू फाइंड द टोटल अमाउंट, कितना टोटल पैसा देना है. So we will get it by adding the cost of 3 books, and then 50 rupees दिया है, तो how much balance he will get back. So then only we can find out. So let us solve this one. This is 6th question, solution number 6th. So cost of 3 books. So cost of first book, second book, so you can write total cost of 3 books. Total cost of 3 books. So what we have to do? Add them first. So rupees 15 rupees 50 paise, 26 rupees 50 paise, and 5 rupees 50 paise. Add them, we will get the total cost of 3 books. That means the amount he has to pay. So add them. 5 plus 5 plus 5 is 15. 1 carry over. 16, 17. 1 carry over again. And 47 rupees 50 paise. This is the amount Arun has to pay to the shopkeeper, right? Arun ने इतना पे करना था शॉपकीपर को, but he has given rupees 50 note. So 50 note rupees 50 दिए हैं. So how much balance he will get back? So money pays to shopkeeper. Money pays is rupees 50, 00 paise, and balance. So and we will write the total amount. Total amount is rupees 47 50 paise, and now the balance he will get back. Balance, what I have told you, balance means जो बचा हुआ पैसा है. So for that we have to subtract. तो जब भी हमें remaining बचा हुआ निकालना है, और you can say the difference जो निकालना है हमें, so what we have to do, we have to subtract it. 0 minus 0, 0, 0 is smaller than 5, so we will borrow, and then 9 and 4, subtract it. 5 to 0. So what is the balance he will get back? So Arun will get back rupees 2 rupees 50 paise, right? So next is your question number 7. Here you have to prepare a bill, cash memo, you can say. So this is the Peter purchased the following items from the supermarket. These are the items and these are their costs. And what you have to do, prepare a cash memo and find the total amount paid by him. So cash memo, you know, this is a cash memo. इसको आप prepare करेंगे. Try to prepare it yourself. It is very easy. And then in next question we have to look at the following cash memo and find out the mistakes, and in this we have to find out the mistakes. So these two questions we will do in our next video. Thank you.